In today's video we are going to add Apple's iCloud to our Raspberry Pi. Brought to you by Webstack by Haxmor.com. If you need a new custom designed website, go to Webstack by Haxmor.com. Today this is what we are creating: Linux access to our iCloud drive, so we can access our iCloud data on our Linux Raspberry Pi. Before we begin, we need to install a few things. First up, we need to install Snap on our Raspberry Pi. So let's open a terminal and run these commands: sudo apt update, sudo apt install Snap, sudo apt install iCloud-for-linux. In our first run, once we type in snap run iCloud-for-linux.drive, the system will go through the standard Apple validation process. This only needs to be done once to grant access to our Linux machine. We can now access our iCloud drive and all the files on our Raspberry Pi. Follow these steps to create a menu item for our new Snap. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. I'm Emily from Haxmor.com.